People say, Sean, what's a hack attack? What the heck is that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Okay, so check this out as I'm going to show you. This is what buttermilk biscuit hack attack is with bacon and cheese. Check it out. Okay, let's do a hack attack. So, I take one of our packets. This is actually buttermilk cheddar herb biscuit. This is good stuff right there. Let me just grab an egg. So a packet, you got an egg here. And then spatula. We're gonna need that. 3 tablespoons of water. Kind of eyeball it. Put that in there. There we go. So you kind of cook it like a pancake, right? I don't like to leave a mess. So pick this up right now. There we go. Okay, so let this go for a minute. Got a spatula right here. I like to try to make sure that it's not sticking. You can see it moving, it's not sticking. Perfect. As it starts to get a little bit bubbles on the middle, you can't really see it moving around in there. This is a good pan too, which helps. And then we're gonna flip it like a pancake. Check that out. Right, this is the buttermilk biscuit. These are delicious. Me, I'm on maintenance, so I take a little bit of cheese, throw it on here. You can also put like bacon if you wanted to on here, which is what I'm gonna do. So, put a little bacon. I have some already made up, which is nice. Literally throw it right on here. We don't want this to burn. So, now you can literally take it, flop it in half. So it's like a burrito, right? Look at that. You kidding me right now? Look at this thing. This is how you don't ever have to eat bread again. And you can love it, right? That is a hack attack. There we go. So this is a fueling. Now, in this fueling, we got 110 calories, all the vitamins and nutrients that you need, and we eat this 5 times a day. Like, not this exactly, because we got a bunch of other stuff, but this is a hack attack. This is the cheddar milk biscuit, a way that you can never have to have bread again and completely enjoy an awesome breakfast, just like bread. Better. Anything you're gonna find at the store. Shut your pan off. You get all excited about your hack attack, your breakfast. Don't forget to shut your pan off. Have a great day. Hey, hit the like button, subscribe, definitely make a comment. If you got any questions about anything, please hit me up in there. You got the link to my website, to my Facebook, and I'm always willing to have conversations with people. If you got any questions on anything, I'll be making these hack attacks over and over because I got a bunch of them. So we'll talk with you soon. Have a great one.